everyone, today I'm gonna open a present my mom bought it for me. Today is Child Day, so let's see what is this. This is all the character in here. Let's see what do we got. So hard to open. Ooh, wow! Let's see what it's gonna be. I don't know what it's gonna be. Let's see.
I guess this.
Oh, okay. I guess this. My mom guessed this. Let's see what it is. I hope I got this one too. I got it! I got it! Mommy, look! I got it! I got it! It's so small. I got the brown one. Also, we need to put this in. This. Okay. Wait. Like this. Out. This is my favorite character. I really like him. He's so cute with the bees. Maybe like that. Like that. Oh wait, it needs to be like this. Wait. Like this. Okay, let's do this. Maybe I do. How do I do this? It's so hard to do it. It should be like this, so. Wait. Oh, never mind. Maybe I need to do like this. This. Yay, I did it! I'm a genius. So adorable. Adorable. I love her. But this one is done. Thank you for watching. And I very like this. I hope you like it too. Subscribe and like if you want more present. Bye bye.